everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In previous video, I showed you how to make this frame with planters. If you are wondering how I made this, please watch my previous video and then come back. I hope you understood how we made the frame and how we fixed the hook. So here I am going to paint this frame in black color. So this is how it looks after 2 coats of painting. Now let it dry completely. Meanwhile, we'll see how to make the planter. Here we are going to make our own paint and we are going to mix one portion of POP, which is plaster of Paris, and 2 portions of acrylic paint and a few drops of water. And always strain the plaster of Paris before making to avoid the lumps. And this paint is going to give the effect of chalk paint, which gives matte finish and it looks little grainy. So let's make the paint now. Now after mixing it nicely, the paint is ready. You can notice that it is a little thicker than the acrylic paint, and after using it, you can store it in an airtight container and it will last longer. Even if it becomes dry, you can add little more paint or you can add little water also. Here also we are going to use the same Yakult bottle as a planter, like which we used in our previous video. If you don't have the same Yakult bottle, you can use any similar container. And we are going to hang it, so we need to make 2 holes on both sides of the container. Now it's ready to paint and we'll give 2 coats of chalk paint. So after 2 coats of paint, now the planter is ready. I hope you can see the small grains on the planter. Okay. As we are going to hang this planter, we are adding this wire for the hanging purpose, and to add some beauty, we are going to add some beads to it. A small tip on how to put the beads on the wire faster. Just place them on any soft cushion or any pillow and then start putting the beads in the wire. After adding the beads, now we are going to stick this jute lace on the rim of the planter using Fevicryl fabric glue. As the planter is plain, we are going to add some design using Fevicryl 3D liner. Once you finish painting the frame and the planter, give 2 coats of this varnish spray, and I have given the link for this varnish spray in description below. Now the planter is ready and the frame is ready. We are going to grow this plant in this planter, and this plant is one of the varieties of Echeveria, and it's a very easy to grow and hard to kill. And you must be wondering how to grow this plant in such a small container. So I am going to show you how to do that, and I am not saying this just for the video's sake. You can grow this plant in any such small container. For example, see this plant is in this planter for more than 4 years, and this is very easy to propagate also. As you can grow this plant with very minimum maintenance, you don't require any hole below the container. And for this, first put some soil inside. And how to cut this plant? Just nip it and remove these leaves and place the stem inside the soil. If you are wondering how to water in such small container, okay, well, if there is a will, there are many ways. I found this so comfortable and convenient to water these plants. If not this, you can water with any dropper. And only once the topsoil is dry, then you water it. This much is enough. Here I want to mention, you don't have to always hang them on the wall. You can place them on the tabletop also. In that case, make the frames little broad. So this is what Art Around House is all about. You can make these frames in different shapes and different heights, and if you are not so comfortable with plants, growing plants, there is always one more option. You can go for artificial plants. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.